case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for.
In 2018, a high-profile defamation per se case, Hill v. Stubson, was heard before the Wyoming Supreme Court. The contentious battle emerged when Cynthia Hill, former Wyoming Superintendent of Public Instruction, accused Timothy Stubson of making false and defamatory statements about her, alleging him of murdering her reputation during his campaign for a seat in the U.S. House of Representatives. The crux of this case hinged on whether Mr. Stubson had declared these potentially career-ruining comments with malicious intent, a necessary element in defamation per se cases. Mr. Stubson challenged this, arguing that his comments fell under the protection of the First Amendment, dismissing any incrimination of actual malice. Initially, the district court dismissed Ms. Hill's pleadings, citing absence of substantial evidence to demonstrate actual malice. The judgment also included a denial for Ms. Hill's motion to disqualify the presiding judge, further tilting the case in Mr. Stubson's favor. High stakes and a thirst for justice, however, led a resilient Ms. Hill to appeal the decision. The appellate court was left to wrestle with critical questions about the true nature of statements made by Mr. Stubson and the qualifications of a public official in defamation cases. Although the higher court acknowledged that Ms. Hill was indeed a public official, they upheld the district's court decision that the lawsuit lacked the pivotal element of actual malice. The court further elucidated that actual malice required evidence that the defendant either expressed knowledge of the statement's falsity or showcased reckless disregard for establishing its authenticity. Despite desperate efforts, Ms. Hill's motion to disqualify the presiding judge was again rejected, and her case dismissed due to insufficient grounds to claim defamation per se. In an intense struggle for her reputation, Ms. Hill saw her efforts repelled in a courtroom where the quest for the truth was tinged with a bitter taste of defeat.
Case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for. Visit lsd.law, elevate your mind. Leave the stress of class.